A group of cyclists, a number of warriors, 2 countries, and 1 cause. This is the Calgary Peloton Project, a 9-day non-stop bike relay spanning 3,400 kilometers. It's the brainchild of Brian McGregor, a survivor of testicular cancer who drew inspiration when he needed it most from Lance Armstrong.
During my chemotherapy, I met Lance Armstrong, and he kind of inspired me to get through my cancer treatment. And I went down to Austin the following year. I had such a great time that I thought, what better way to get over cancer than to ride our bikes down to Texas.
On that first ride in 2005, McGregor's team of cyclists raised over $30,000, each rider sponsoring a cancer warrior, someone currently fighting the disease. It is now an annual event, each year a new destination, yet the goal remains to aid cancer survivors on the road to recovery.
We all have issues to deal with, and I think probably the mind is one of the toughest issues to deal with, but it's the most powerful tool in the fight against cancer.
For me, it's the fear. It's the fear of what caused it in the first place, and so how do you not get it back?
Heather Dougal was diagnosed with throat cancer a year and a half ago. She quickly realized the emotional struggle was almost as difficult as the physical struggle of cancer treatment. Yet it was here at Wellspring, one of the main benefactors of the Calgary Peloton Project, that she found support and guidance.
Here is a great support because everyone else understands what it feels like when somebody looks at you and says, you have cancer. So you can sit with them and you don't even have to talk about it. It's just an understanding that they have because they've been there.
Helping cancer survivors get back in the mental game of life is what Brian and Can Survive, the organization he created, is hoping to do. If you're interested in joining the ride this year, visit cansurvive.ca. For Shaw TV, I'm Sheila Nyquist.